Yeah, this thing today I'm doing a review of this Gerber 06 spring assisted knife. Assisted, so push that and it opens up. Basically, this is a standard 06 spring assisted knife. I got this a while ago from a friend. Just a simple locking mechanism, so you push that in. So you would push that in to close it. So you can see it's red. And this is also how you close it. You push this in to close it. There's a little bit of a spring there, so when you close it, you can see it's in the fire. Safety is off. Safety is on. Safety is off. And if I can move this out. So you can see the safety is off. Put it in the fire. Just a simple triangle blade. It's a simple grind. Half serrated. Almost dropped it there. Bear Grylls Gerber logo on that blade. Once again, there were two little thumb studs. You can see to the middle. And that's how you, and this also is how you close it. Push that forward, push it closed, and there we go. And push it back. There's like a lanyard hole and the pocket clip. Pretty tough plastic, pretty tough steel. All in all, this is like a survival knife. Although I guess the spring could get a little damaged when you're using it, so yeah. But other than that, that's just about it. And that's just about it, and bye.